Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August 26 to August the 28th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung hindi nyo rin po naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, simulan na natin. So, Pisces, ang nakikita natin dito, parang sinasabi mo dito, ano bang ginawa kong tama? Even sa past life ko, bakit ako nagkakaroon ng relationship na ganito? It started real good until, ayan, bakit parang lately nag-iiba? So, parang kasing feeling mo pinadama ka lang. Parang feeling mo, ay, na feeling mo parang ay nagaling-galingan to, no? Parang feeling mo tuloy ngayon ini-scam ba ako nitong taong to? Kasi parang pinapasakay ako nung una, no? Ngayon parang iba, which I think that you are noticing the changes which you don't really feel good about it, which you also feel na parang may mali, parang hindi tama, no? There are also things that I am doing that against my will, and I don't like that idea. I don't like the feeling na um pati sarili ko kinakalaban ko, no? Let's say ginawa kasi natin yung kumbaga napangunahan tayo ng excitement, no, dito sa relationship na to. Napangunahan tayo na ay masaya siya at first, no? Ay gusto ko yung nangyayari. Which is totoo naman. Pero kasi parang because of what we are feeling then, no? Parang we haven't foresee, no? Na may mga possibilities pala na what if ganito or baka ganyan, which is nangyayari ngayon. With the Knight of Swords, see, and the Knight of Pentacles. So parang either we are fluctuating or we are very idle. So, I mean, the energy is fluctuating right now. And it felt like these fluctuations has been for quite a while. Ang dami ding contradictions dito. Kasi Knight of Swords is the fastest knight. The Knight of Pentacles is the idle one. So, I think that you are not on the same boat with your person. So, chances are there is really a separation between you and your person, no? With the Fool card and the World card. So, instead of these relationships are escalating in yung pataas, nagiging parang either pa-slope siya, no? Na nagdi-decrease either itong enthusiasm mo, nagdi-decrease itong efforts, no? Ni person, which actually you are seeing. The Seven of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. Are you thinking that your person is doing something behind your back? Because or was, no? Sabihin natin si person is nagawa na ito before. But I think na nawala dito yung iyong trust. Nagkaroon ka na ng trust issue. Kaya kahit anong gawin pa ni person, parang nawala din yung nawala na kasi yung tiwala, may lamat na. So, nandun din yung takot na, kasi tinanong kita dati, um, ang sagot mo wala, ang sagot mo hindi. Now, kahit totoo na, nandun yung kaba ko, no? With the Star and the King of Wands. Ah, naku, matutuwa sa akin yung mga cross-watchers kasi from what I am seeing in here, totoo naman yung sinasabi nila. When they say, ikaw lang, at I'm not entertaining anyone right now, well, ikaw lang naman talaga. Ah, with the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the knights are showing, so nababagalan ka. I think na yung pagbagal dito is more of the healing part, no? You might still be in a relationship but you are not fully healed. Isa yan sa mga sakit din ni Pisces, no? Um, kapag humingi na ng sorry si person, no, kahit magtigas-tigasan tayo, bibigay din naman tayo. And then, bigla na nating ma-realize na napilitan ako na patawarin ka. Pero of course, hindi mo yung sinasabi. So, kaya siguro may fluctuations of energy, no? That makes sense. Minsan you're all in, minsan may galit, no? Um, I think na, ayokong sabihin premature yung pakikipagbalikan natin kay person. Pero it felt like dapat siguro medyo pinagalan natin ng bahagya, no? Pinagalan natin ng, yung we are fully healed prior we accept the person back. Because it felt like to me, you are still going to experience the same. If you do not observe, not the person but also you yourself, no? Kasi kahit totoo na yung sinasabi ni person, yun nga may mga doubts tayo. So, how can we fix that, no? To ourselves na, kung totoo na, nandun pa rin. So, imagine kung totoo na yung sinasabi, tapos nandun pa rin yung doubt, hindi ko sinasabing mali ka, kasi nga may traumatic experience ka kay person. So, fault din naman ni person. Pero, kung totoo na siya, don't you think it's also unfair for the person and you're putting this relationship in a risky situation na this might going to end up in a toxic relationship kapag ganyan ang mangyayari. Now, with the Nine of Wands, the Hangman, and the Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords actually showed up twice. So parang ang nakikita ko dito, kulang na lang is ano ba yung gusto mong gawin ni person, Pisces? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, if you wanted your person to just focus, probably you must also do the same kasi Eight of Swords actually showed up twice. So that confirms that parang magtitigang kayong dalawa, magbantayan kayong dalawa. If that, hindi naman panghabang buhay, but if that makes this relationship or for your trust to be back, um, siguro si person, hindi ko sinasabing tama ito ha. But to give you, to remove that piece, I mean, to remove that um, triggers and doubts. Siguro ang magagawa niya dito is to give access, no, to their phones, which is also I feel like not fair because we all have privacies, and that's one also of the biggest reason why divorce, no, sa ibang bansa, no, because of invading privacy. meron talaga, no, na nagdi-divorce because of pinapakailaman yung phone. Pero, wag natin pilitin. If in case lang, willing ito, siguro yun, isa yun sa magagawa up until you fully healed. Kasi nakita ko dito, sobra din naman tayo nasaktan. I'm not invalidating, no, kung ano itong nararamdaman mo. That's actually valid. But it also feels like, kailan matatapos yung tao, no? Kailangan tapusin na ito at kailangan may gawin din. Either ikaw, si person, both of you magtulungan, no? So this is, well, let's see kung ano ang emotion, no, ni person. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. I remember the day we met like it was yesterday, and I dream about a future with you. So I feel like natuto na rin si person, no? Parang I'm sticking with you. I have this realization of tayo talaga meant for each other, no? So, yeah, that's your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, Sagittarius, Leo, Aquarius, Aries, Virgo, Pisces, Taurus, Capricorn. So, Pisces, this is your reading. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto nyo pong kung hindi nyo pala maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, no? As long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Pisces, kilala nyo yung sarili ninyo, no? So, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box, dun sa ating website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Una pong bubungad yung question form. Hindi kasi siya kasya sa screen, no? Ibaba nyo lang ng konti, makikita nyo po yung QR codes. Yung QR codes po, may mga labels po yun. So, makikita nyo how much per question, the name, the number, no? And I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So, take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, hanapin nyo na lang po yung QR code ng private reading. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, edi doon po, no? Sumali kayo sa promo. Sa raffle. Ayan. How to join is to report those fake accounts and then screenshot po na na-report nyo siya, send it to the designated email. Pag nag-appeal natin yan, bubuno tayo ng winner, no? So Pisces, kung hinahanap nyo po itong mga readings, yung ibang readings, meron po kasi tayong mga videos dito na hindi na pinopost dito sa YouTube, nasa Facebook po siya. So, you might wanna check, especially if you still care about your exes, nandun po siya, no? Ang X-Files. So, Pisces, kung di nyo naman siya mahanap, yung Facebook, pumunta na kayo dun uli sa question form, may mga icons po doon. So, click nyo lang kung Facebook, no, yung Facebook icon o Facebook logo, dadaling kayo sa Facebook. Kung TikTok, yun po, pindutin nyo, dadaling kayo sa TikTok. So, this is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading.